Today I am reviewing the ASUS Vivobook 16 laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Let's start with the display, because it's one of the most noticeable highlights. The 16-inch WUXGA display gives you a generous 1920 by 1200 resolution in a 16:10 aspect ratio. That means more vertical screen space, ideal for reading, multitasking, or editing documents. The panel is bright at 300 nits, and paired with its anti-glare coating, it stays visible even under bright indoor lights. Colors are vivid, and the image clarity is great for a non-touch display at this price range. Under the hood, the Vivobook 16 is powered by the Intel Core i5-13420H processor, a high-efficiency CPU from Intel's 13th generation lineup. With 8 cores and up to 12 threads, this chip offers excellent multitasking performance. Whether you're running multiple browser tabs, streaming videos, crunching spreadsheets, or doing light video editing, the i5-13420H delivers reliable speed without slowing down. Complementing the processor is 16GB of memory and a 512GB PCIe 4.0 SSD. This combo ensures fast boot times, quick app launches, and smooth switching between tasks. Whether you're running Microsoft Office, editing photos, or even playing casual games, the RAM and SSD work together to provide a smooth and responsive experience. Graphics are handled by Intel Iris-Xe, Intel's integrated GPU that brings solid performance for daily use and media consumption. You'll have no trouble streaming in 4K, editing high-resolution photos, or running light creative tools like Adobe Lightroom. For casual gaming or indie titles, Iris-Xe can also hold its own at low to medium settings. Now let's talk productivity. ASUS includes a full-size keyboard with a numeric keypad, making number entry quick and easy for students or professionals who work with data. The typing experience is comfortable and accurate, and the trackpad is spacious and responsive. The 720p HD webcam offers decent image quality and supports Windows Studio effects for better video conferencing. And for added privacy, it includes a physical shutter, giving you peace of mind when the camera is not in use. It's a small but meaningful touch, especially in today's world where online meetings are the norm. Battery life is another area where the Vivobook 16 performs well. ASUS claims up to 8 hours of usage, and in real-world testing, that translates to about 6 to 7 hours of mixed use. Think web browsing, writing, streaming, and some multitasking. Thanks to FastCharge technology, you can recharge the battery to 60% in just 49 minutes, which is a huge time saver when you're on the move. Connectivity-wise, you get Wi-Fi 5 and Bluetooth 5.1, ensuring stable wireless performance across the board. You'll also find a good selection of ports for everyday convenience, including USB Type-A, Type-C, HDMI, and a headphone jack. Everything you need for your day-to-day workflow is built in. One unique feature ASUS has integrated into this Vivobook is Microsoft Copilot. With AI assistance, you can perform complex tasks more easily, from summarizing content and generating images, to getting fast answers or writing help right from your laptop. It's a productivity booster that truly brings value to modern users. Durability also gets a mention here. This laptop has passed 5 military-grade tests, including high and low temperature endurance, shock resistance, vibration, and altitude. So, whether you're commuting or working from different environments, you know your device can handle everyday wear and tear. In summary, the ASUS Vivobook 16 is more than just another mid-range laptop. It offers a compelling blend of performance, smart features, and reliable design. Whether you're a student, a remote worker, or someone who just wants a smooth Windows experience, this machine hits the sweet spot between affordability and capability. It looks sleek in its cool silver finish, feels solid in the hands, and delivers where it counts: speed, display, comfort, and battery. If you're looking for an everyday laptop that won't hold you back, the ASUS Vivobook 16 is absolutely worth considering.